The hardest part of the AP exam isn't the math, it's the logic, and knowing which inference procedure to choose is critical. I'm going to show you a proven method for how to pick which inference procedure. First thing you want to do is ask yourself, is it about the slope of a regression line? If it is, then you know it's going to be a linear regression t-test or t-interval. If it's not, then the next question you want to go to, is there a table of frequencies? If there is, then here's what you do next. You know it's got to be a chi-square test, but you have to ask yourself, how many groups or samples? If there's just one group or sample, then you have to ask how many variables in that group or sample. If it's just one, then you know it's got to be a chi-square goodness of fit. If it's two, then you know it's got to be a chi-square test of independence. Then, if it's more than one sample or group, then you know it has to be a chi-square test for homogeneity. But what if there's not a table of frequencies? Well, then you have to ask yourself, is it a proportions or means? If it's proportions, then how many groups or samples? You see the pattern here? If there's one, then you know it has to be a 1 proportion z interval or z test. If there are two, then you know it's going to be a 2 proportion z interval or test. If it's not proportions, but it's means, then you ask yourself, how many groups or samples? Again, if it's just one, then you know it's going to be a 1 mean t interval or test. And if it's two samples or groups, then you know it's going to be a 2 sample mean t test or t interval. Well, that's it. Just those couple of quick questions, and you know which inference procedure to follow. Don't overthink it on the test. Just follow the path. Now, if this helps you clear the brain fog and figure out how to do it, hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more AP Stats content. Good luck on the exam and take care.